The reply runway heading, which is about 21, so we'll put it over there. 21.
P-Mod 4205 is 10 out for the localized Jamie, 21.
P-Mod 4205, Hilton Head Tower, and report jam.
Alright, we'll call jam, P-Mod 4205.
I got 10 degrees of flaps on. And Hilton Head Tower 83089 is ready to go.
089, roger, get you rolling here momentarily.
089. This is this, that's that. Every pilots are so.
83089, runway 21, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 089.
Remember 79 Juliet, turn left, taxi to the ramp.
Isn't that taxi in the position? Isn't that taxi in the position hold?
Eight 089er, runway 21, fly runway heading clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 089.
P-Mod 4205, you're in sight and cleared to land, runway 21.
They're busy here.
Alright, clear to land, 21.
They are.
205. Don't get so much. You go a little forward. Yeah. Now go up. Yeah. I got a little flap on here because it's a short runway. Runway heading. Now here's the critical thing where this comes in. This thing could be good.
Sig fuel, cross, runway 3, proceed to the terminal.
Put the autopilot on. Heading mode. Give you a little help here. 90.
Sig fuel, cross
Lamps
3,
off.
proceed to the terminal.
Cross 3 to main terminal, sig fuel.
Cherokee 089er, contact departure.
Contact departure, 089.
And P-Mod 4205.
Savannah departure number 83089, 600 feet.
Number 83089er, Savannah approach, ident, climb and maintain 5,000.
Ident 5,000, 089. Here, let me have this. Let me do a little bit of this.